Good day, M4555. Please introduce yourself.
Good days to all employers. My name is Regina Coma, 34 years old, single, but I have one beautiful daughter, 8 years old age. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia almost 7 years.
Okay, what are your main duty and responsibility as a helper in Saudi?
My main duty and responsibility in Saudi Arabia to take care of the kids, and my house chores. My daily house chores is vacuuming, cooking, baking, washing clothes, and ironing.
Okay, and you have also another employer in the same country, right? What are
Yes.
your main duty and responsibility?
Same thing, cooking, baking, ironing, washing clothes, and take care of the pets.
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
We have cats and one bird.
Okay, I saw that you have experience taking care of 3 months old baby. How do you prepare a milk for this 3 months old baby?
Make sure that your hands is clean, and you make sterilize the bottle, and you put warm water, and you put milk, then shake it and feed the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, you need to check their diapers, if diaper is full, or you check if she feel hungry, or you check if she have a fever.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because they have a good salary, and also I want to build better for future of my daughter.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to stay in the Hong Kong. If my employer they want to work long time.
Okay, if the employer wants you to stay with them, it's okay for you to stay with
Yes,
them?
sir.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I'm watching YouTube, and I will try to buy some textbook to read how to cook Chinese food.
Okay, and you also can watch your madam and see how do they prepare their food so that you can eat.
Yes.
Right? Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you're not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair short.
Yes, sir.
And you have also blonde hair. It's okay to you to color
Yes.
the black. Okay, if one of the member of the family of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, message for your future employer.
To my future employer, I'm looking forward to work with you. I'll be promised to become flexible, trustworthy, respectfully. Thank you and have a good day.
Okay, thank you very much, M4555, Miss Rogen. Thank you.